Within just 15 days, you can permanently rid your body of acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and even bumps. The first thing you'll need is extra strength garlic oil soft gel supplement. Take 3 to 5 of the garlic oil 3 to 5 times a day. The higher the dose, the better. But please be careful not to overdo this. Start slow and see how your body reacts. In my experience, odorless garlic is ineffective. Fortunately, I have several methods I use in neutralizing garlic breath. Check out my next video as well as link in the description to learn more. Also, in my experience, garlic oil supplements that comes in larger soft gels are more effective. For example, smaller soft gels may claim to be 5,000 milligrams, but when you check the amount per serving section on the bottle, you then realize it's only about 10 milligrams of garlic oil concentrate, but equivalent to 5,000 milligrams of fresh garlic pulp. For a supplement like this, you might need to take 5 or more each time, and at least 3 times daily, to achieve the desired result. Talk to your doctor to see if high doses of garlic are safe for you. The next thing you would have to do is to stay as much as you can away from heat. During this period, do not wash face with hot or even warm water. Don't even cover your face with a blanket when you sleep. Change your bed sheets often, and make sure you are not allergic to the detergents you use in washing them. As for whiteheads and blackheads, safely pop them, or they'll remain there and form scars more difficult to treat. It is always safer to use a magnifying mirror and soft facial wipes for this procedure. Wash your face twice daily or right after the procedure, rinse with baking soda, and then apply coconut oil. In no time at all, you would start to notice the difference. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments section below, and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also check out my video on the health benefits of garlic. Thank you.